Hey everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, today I have a beautiful recipe for you today. We have a stuffed chicken breast with goat cheese, dates. We have some thyme in there. Anytime I'm using dates, I think fall, and we're in fall season right now. We'll have a delicious chicken dish in about 10 or 15 minutes. All right, let's go. I have some parchment paper here, and I'm just gonna pound it a bit, just to flatten it out. Now in here I have three medjool dates, right? They're like the large dates, and I've already taken the pit out of them, okay? So I'm just gonna pop that out. So I'm just gonna chop those up. I have a sweet tooth, so you know, if I want any kind of sweetness in my meals, I add dates to it. It's a healthy alternative to sugar, and that's why I use it all the time. Okay, we got some goat's cheese here, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna do some pepper, some salt, and about a tablespoon of thyme. And we're just gonna mix that. I'm just gonna grab a spoon, and I'm just gonna mix that around all together. And this is what we're gonna stuff our chicken breast with. Some salt, some pepper. I'm just gonna place that on here like this. So you wanna leave a small edge on the outside. And to that, I have some almonds here I already toasted, and we're just gonna sprinkle that on there. Just a nice bit of texture, a nice bit of crunch. Okay. And we're gonna roll it up. Just gonna press those on there. I'm gonna roll this up, just like that. I have a pan here. I put about a tablespoon of olive oil here, and we're just gonna place that with the crease side down on the pan. All right, so the reason why I put the chicken breast on crease side down is that will seal it so it won't unravel when we're baking it in the oven. All right, so we're just gonna turn this over and brown it on all sides. That is looking beautiful. Now we're just gonna make this simple lemon glaze. So I'm gonna get a half a lemon and some honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush that on. Into the oven at 350 degrees. So it's been 15 minutes. This looks delicious. I'm just gonna cut into this, and I'm just gonna place it on the plate here in pieces. And there you got it, a beautiful dinner for any night of the week. I mean, just simple green beans. You could do a salad with this too, but just really the take home is the chicken just stuffed with the goat's cheese and the dates. Enjoy this, guys. I'll see you soon.